How to customize your WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Then, on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the settings icon. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Here, go to chats. Then, go to default chat theme. You can choose a theme according to your preference from here. The chat color and wallpaper will both change. You can explore and preview all the themes. You can change the chat colors as well. You can also change the brightness level of the theme. Once you're done, tap on Set at the top right corner. You have successfully changed the chat theme on WhatsApp. If you want to change the theme again, then go back to this page and choose the theme that you like. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Chats. Open a chat from here to check your newly customized chat color and wallpaper. Following these steps, you can easily customize your WhatsApp.